Try this delightful recipe for a berry pie that captures the essence of summer in every bite. Start with mixing flour and cold unsalted butter, grated for ease, and blend together. Add a touch of vanilla sugar, baking powder, a dash of sugar, sour cream, and 1 egg. Once your dough is mixed, chill it in the refrigerator. For the filling, take frozen berries, though fresh ones work just as well, and combine them with cornstarch and sugar to taste. Cook this mixture over low heat until it thickens. Next, roll out the chilled dough and add the berry mixture. You can get creative with the dough's topping, cutting strips or shapes to decorate your pie before brushing it with a mixture of egg yolk and a little milk. Bake in a preheated oven until golden brown. The result is a scrumptious berry pie that's just impossible to resist. Check the description for full details.